What's up, guys? Welcome back. Here's a really cool experience from our last trip. Our son Brock got to make a lightsaber at Savis Workshop at Disney's Hollywood Studios. There are four hilt themes or styles of sabers he could have built, and out of the four, he chose power and control. You just laid down this red card, and that let him know which style of saber he was building inside. And then he got a really cool collector pin, and this was his experience.
Guys, just hold here for a second for us. How many goes there? Just one? Just one. You can go on up to my bed.
How are you two? Good, nice. Working on that symbol on your head, my friend.
Are you building something?
No, I'm not building, just down.
Okay, so that card? That's going to go all the way through. One on 11, one on 12. This red card's all the way in the front. Watch out behind you, my friend. Right over here on 14.
Come on in, everyone. Welcome. How are you, young man? Good. Look at this stormtrooper on your shirt. I see him. All right. Come on in. How are you? Look at this little one. Oh, look at that. Wow.
He's a future stormtrooper.
Don't. You didn't find that on my tube, did you?
I don't know, did I?
All right. Well, you all made it. So I'd like to say to each and every one of you travelers, welcome to the workshop. How's everyone doing today? Good. Well done. I can feel your excitement. I can feel it. I can feel your anticipation, your curiosity, right? And of course, we all have hope. But I know what you're thinking. You're also thinking, hey, what did I just walk into? This all looks like a lot of old junk. But let me assure you, some of this is new junk. Yes, indeed. Now, I see you've met my companion. We're simply scrappers working for Savi. But it's time you know the truth. You may call me Kembe, and we are called the Gatherers. You see, what we do is we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We travel to the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find, we smuggle here. So, where a wandering stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And you see, we the Gatherers believe that preserving our past may just ensure our future. You have heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes, well, we hear there's another. A new Jedi seen right here on Batuu. And her name is? Rey, that's right. And what she is leading is the spark of hope we the Gatherers have been waiting for. And that's why you're here. To build one of these, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And this evening, builders, you will feel that connection. But there I go, babbling on like a protocol droid. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important element of any lightsaber, the kyber crystal, right? Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's plasma blade. Maybe you know some of these from legends. Blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, and his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now legend has it, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the Jedi Order's greatest swordsman, Mace Windu. Red, it has been called the color of power, and is the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you, the future, to look ahead. So now it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, which will be the heart of your hand-built lightsaber. So here's what I need you to do right now. I want you to clear your minds and be in the moment with me right now, Kembe. And I want you to close your eyes and picture in your mind's eye the colors I'm going to mention out loud right now. Blue, green, violet, red. And you will notice in your mind one color shines brightest amongst all the other colors. That color calls out to you. So now everyone, open your eyes. And when it is time, select your kyber crystal. Open yourself up. Let the color call to you. Now, builders, after you've selected your kyber crystal carefully, place your kyber crystal on the green crystal holder at your station. We will now connect your kyber crystal to the lightsaber design you have selected. We will begin by building your lightsaber's hills. Now that will be the foundation of your lightsaber, okay? The center of your control. And the only thing keeping your hands from being disintegrated. You can always get new hands, but your original hands are best. Now, take a look at your box. You may have never seen a lightsaber in this state. It is time for Lightsaber 101, the anatomy of your hilt. To the far left of your box, you will see what is called your lightsaber's chassis. All the way to the far right, you'll see your activation plates and your controls. In sections 1 and 2, 4 different types of grips or sleeves. Section 3, your very powerful blade emitters. And finally, section 4, your pommel caps. Now you will choose each piece to create your own unique lightsaber design. The gatherers are here to help you, but the Force is always there to guide you. It's time to build.
Right side, my friend. My name is Michael. I'm going to help you with the build. On the chassis, you're going to see some blue and red squares with your blue square and all these window ports on top. Remember, the hardest part of getting this kyber crystal inside of the chassis, the middle part right here first. So what I like to do is have the crystal go top in first and have it pushed up on the spring mechanism. Almost as if you're trying to push it up the top.
Just moving around.
It's hard, man. I do it the wrong way. I do it the wrong way. Maybe, if I can get it.
Hold on. This is the hardest part of the build, so if you need help with something else, I'll be happy to help.
There we go.
Now, my friends, next up will be the activation plates over in row 5. Pick up an activation plate and look inside of it. You'll see a red or blue square which matches the red or blue squares in the chassis. Red pops onto red, blue pops onto blue.
Look, that look over that one? Yeah. Yes, pretty good.
Blue can go right there. So flip it around. Turn it around. Okay. Turn it around. Alright guys, so for the next step, you're going to move section 5 to your activation program. Right here, on your activation, push it in. You'll select one step out of the 2. Make sure you stay within that step. On the inside, you're going to see right there. Blue right hand side. Find your red square. And next up will be the grips over in rows 1 and 2. You'll notice there's one side that's wider than the other. That part always goes inwards. And it will attach with some twisting and some force. Any of the 4 for the top, any of the 4 for the bottom. Make sure not to over tighten, you don't want to strip the scrap metal.
They're all pretty cool.
We're going to flip that guy around. That's fine too. Bring it over again, now twist it to the right. Right. Push down. There you go. See that? One of these things right here.
Twist it the wrong way.
I'm sorry?
Twist it the wrong way.
Yeah.
Put it on. Take it off. There you go.
Gary, you gotta stay with these
After all, it's my second favorite course. Flip this upside down, and you'll be able to do the bottom a little bit easier. So one of these two, or one of these. That looks great. This right here is your activation plate. My friend Ken mentions to activate, sliding this up into the side, sliding this down into the top. My friend, this right here is your activation plate. Push that up. Slide it up. That's how you turn it on. Slide it down. That's how you turn it off. So in a little bit, I may going to say activate. And when he says activate, I want you to push this up.
Look at that hilt.
Okay? I don't want you to tug it out.
It's different, doesn't it? It calls control and power. So that call to you, the hilt of a Sith. Awesome. Well, did you also choose the red card?
Violet.
You went with violet. Ah, so they're still good in you. You know, violet is a mixture of the blue and the red. The blue crystal is the guardian crystal of the Jedi. The red is the power crystal of the Sith. Well, you have a unique ability with that violet crystal, okay? You can harness the light and the dark side at once. May you find your destiny and may the force be with you, my friend. Did you take a picture of it? Do you like it? You built that, right? Nice, nice, nice. So you know how to activate it, correct? This is your activation plate right here. This is your blade emitter. That's where your blade's going to come from, right? Good. Now you know. Well, congratulations, my friend. Nice. Congratulations. Thank you. Built by your hand. Yes, indeed. Now, builders, do me a favor right now. I want you to take a moment and place your hands on the center of your lightsaber, okay? And I want you to focus on your kyber crystal. Ready your mind? You can bring it closer. You can bring it closer. Yeah. We'll put it back in a minute. See your kyber crystal. Legend has it your lightsaber's kyber crystal will help you find balance within the force. Now, please remove your hands and place your hilts back on their saddles. We're now going to move on to a very dangerous stage. We're going to attempt to stabilize your crystals for activation. I will need all builders to leave your hilts where they are and step away from your stations right now. Now, I must let you know that we the gatherers are not force sensitive. But we do allow the force to flow through us. And we are now attempting to stabilize your crystals for activation. As you know, kyber crystals have a very powerful energy field and must be stabilized.
With many works you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time. We are at the final stage. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a few moments, I will ask the builders to step forward. Then, I will ask you to place your hands on your hilts. And on my command, and in tradition, you will activate as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Please, step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, please raise your lightsabers high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but like your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to help protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with the Saber sheath. In a few moments, I will dismiss you one station at a time, so you can collect your sheath and celebrate this accomplishment. Because our time here is at an end. But your journey, that's just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have built. So one last time in this workshop, raise your lightsabers and activate. Well done. Congratulations. Please stay where you are now and dismiss you one station at a time for safety. We'll begin with your brothers. Any brothers? Cousins. Congratulations, cousins. All right. Have you been friends all your life? That's good. All right. Collect your seats and may the force be with you. My little Sith friend, congratulations. Right this way. Well done, you two. Right this way and may the force be with you.
You as well.
Thank you. Done it. Congratulations.
First, my friends, just the straps we needed.
This is sweet.
Dude.
You wanna play with that?
Absolutely.
That's pretty sweet.
We've been into this series for a while now. We just finished watching the second season of The Mandalorian, and it was awesome. He really wanted to build a saber this trip. It was like $215, but it was totally worth it, and we would definitely recommend anyone to do it. May the Force be with you. It just takes a spark. Either way, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.